In this video, I will quickly show you how to invest on Cash App using your phone. First, open the Cash App and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, tap the Investing or Stocks tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Next, use the search bar to find the stock or cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Then select the asset and tap the Buy button. After that, choose the amount you want to invest. Cash App allows you to start with small amounts. Review the investment details and confirm the purchase. Once confirmed, the investment will appear in your portfolio inside the app. You can track the performance of your investment directly in Cash App. Investing through the app is a simple way to start in the financial market. And that's it. Now you know how to invest on Cash App easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.